As COVID cases climb across the state, they're also going up in schools. APS says it's doing all it can to keep kids in the classroom.
News 13's Annalisa Pardo spoke with district leaders today about their updated COVID-19 response. Annalisa is live at APS headquarters this evening with the latest.
Well, Dean and Jess, at this time last year, kids were at home learning remotely as cases soared. Today, APS explained why they're able to keep kids in school during this latest surge.
Although the cases are up to where they were for us this time last year, the conditions are completely different.
Latest data shows the week before Thanksgiving, APS had 330 cases among students and staff across 93 of its 143 campuses. It's seeing more cases among students and staff and fewer cases in high schools, which the district says could be because more high school students have been vaccinated. A handful of its schools have a 3% positivity rate, which leads to a district leadership visit. Positivity rate, which could lead to added safety protocols like limiting school visitors, banning spectators at games, and having more activities held outdoors. APS COO Dr. Blakey says if they can keep staff healthy, they don't anticipate having to return to remote learning again.
Our biggest concern is usually the staff and keeping the staff healthy, because without the staff there, it's not the spread we're worried about. It's if we can't keep people healthy, we don't have the staff to be able to provide the education to students.
The district says it is seeing a big increase in vaccinations and with parents vaccinating their 5 to 11-year-old students. APS has been holding vaccine clinics for staff and students, averaging about 700 shots a week, with a total of about 75,000 shots in arms over the past year. The district says it is now focusing on getting its staff their booster shots so they can all be considered fully vaccinated under the revised public health order. Back to you.
All right, Annalisa, thank you. This week, APS also launched its Test to Stay program, where unvaccinated students and partially vaccinated students and staff who come into close contact with a positive COVID-19 case can get tested on site and stay in the classroom instead of being sent home to quarantine.